All right, let's make sure we understand the difference between inner source versus open source. So the scope is a bit different. Inner source is within an organization. Remember that word inner. So if it's pointing inwards, we're talking about the org. If it's open source, this is public and a global community. In terms of accessibility, inner source is limited to company employees, where open source is open to everybody. For purpose, inner source improves collaboration efficiency internally, whereas open source shares and collaborates on projects globally. For contributions, employees of the organization is for inner source, and for open source, it's about anybody, such as developers or users. For visibility, inner source is code and discussions often private to the organization, and open source is publicly available and visible. For governance, inner source is based on the internal policies and culture of the organization, and for open source, it's usually governed by open source licenses and community rules. So there you go.